Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how you can fix your voice chat not working in Roblox. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. First of all, open up your Roblox site on any type of browser you want on your PC and then access settings located at the top right corner. Now make sure your age is verified on your account, because if it isn't, then your voice chat feature won't be available for you. Now go over to your privacy section and check if you have your voice chat. If you have it, then just enable it, but if it isn't, then simply go over to your Roblox help center and ask for a solution. Once you have the voice chat enabled, open up your Roblox game and check if it's working or not. And you can see that the mic option is disabled in the game. To enable it, simply press escape button and enable it from the menu. Then just go over to your game settings and make sure your voice chat volume is at maximum and preferred device is selected. Also make sure that other players are not muted, because if they are, you won't be able to hear them. And that's how you can fix your voice chat not working on Roblox. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.